you imagine your ideal house? As you imagine it, Prohellas can construct it. Prohellas is a modern industrial unit for the production of top-quality houses and other buildings that possesses all the control and quality certifications for the implementation of the latest building technology. One Prohellas house constructed with the new building technology has absolute uniqueness, and in fact twice over. Prohellas uses reinforced double concrete walls 20 to 40 centimeters thick, meeting the strictest specifications for absolute building safety. And we are the only ones who do this. At Prohellas, we take your ideal house and translate it into data through the computer. We provide three-dimensional form, and we insert all the data to make a simple architectural drawing into a house. After the design has been completed, the construction of your house is taken over at the factory's control center by a fully automated robotic technology system. First stage. Each reinforced concrete double wall of the house is originally projected onto the platform or trapezium with its precise dimensions and all the technical characteristics it possesses. There, the molds for windows, doors, electrical installations, insulation, etc. are placed with absolute accuracy and will be applied consistent with the armor. Second stage. At this production phase, the armor is applied on the basis of the instructions resulting from the drawing process and in accordance with the specifications which the statical study has determined, and the automatic iron cutter smooths out and cuts at the cross-section the size, shape and quantity of iron required. The iron rods are placed in position and fixed. In the case of the reinforced double concrete wall, the open girders, which connect the two parts of the reinforced double concrete walls, are also placed in position. The same procedure is followed in the construction of the preliminary plate. It constitutes the basis for the plate construction. Third stage. The mold, now ready with the iron rods and all the pipes, electricity, telephones, television, hydraulics, etc., are transferred to the point where the concrete will be inserted. There, the distributor places the concrete uniformly, and the vibrator under the trapezium condenses it. Fourth stage. The insulation materials are inserted and an automatic system transfers the trapezium with a specific reinforced concrete wall inside a special furnace, where, under controlled temperature conditions, they are dried. Fifth stage. Once dry, the reinforced concrete wall is fixed on the trapezium, which, by the use of a special crane, rotates 180 degrees and finds its supplementary wall, which has already undergone the same process. By virtue of the reinforced double concrete walls, which are patented and fully accredited in Europe, a Prohellas house is the most modern house which can be constructed. The two reinforced concrete walls come to a position of full mounting, and after having been connected between them, are once more put into the furnace to dry uniformly. With the most modern facilities which guarantee the quality of construction, as well as the know-how of German technology, with exclusivity to the rights of the new building technologies in all the Balkans, Prohellas has built up relations of trust by constructing the dream house of many families for many years now. Under rigorous controls with top know-how and the most modern technological equipment, it has produced since 1970 safe, anti-seismic, insulated, inexpensive, inspired constructions, in order for you to have precisely what you want when you want it. Sixth stage. Immediately after that, the reinforced double concrete walls constructed with the new building technology are placed next to each other in special pallets to be transferred to the building site. The platform, now freed, is automatically cleaned and lubricated in order to be used for the next reinforced double concrete walls. Houses constructed with the new building technology are more and more being preferred by buyers because their advantages over conventional buildings have been generally acknowledged. We wish to stress the absolute anti-seismicity, the absolute freedom in design, the very rapid, immediate and integrated delivery, the integrated provision of services, electrical, hydraulic equipment, etc. The low construction cost. The only things that are now needed for you to acquire your own dream house is to tell us how precisely you want it and where you want it. We at Prohellas take care of the rest. Why should I choose a Prohellas house? Because it is constructed in the same way bridges are, taking into account resistivity, protection and durability, which outclasses any conventional building method. Because it will be much cheaper for you than to build a conventional house. Because it has only advantages and is far safer than any other building method. Because the only thing you need to think about is its decoration. Because you receive it immediately and under the most rigorous quality certification regulations, ISO 9001-2000. Because it is strong Anti-seismic, insulated, ready for use, and precisely as you imagined it. Because a Prohellas reinforced double concrete wall means guaranteed quality. A Prohellas house requires strong foundations. On the specially constructed plate, the reinforced double concrete walls are placed within 1 centimeter of their intended position and are temporarily fixed, while at the same time the preliminary plates are placed with absolute precision. The building's binding armor goes here. This binds the preliminary plates together with the reinforced double concrete walls. The construction is therefore an integrated and built-in unit with the most rigorous specifications for maximum strength according to current anti-seismic regulations. The concrete is poured and uniformly covers wall and roof. In this way, all the sections are bound together, resulting in an integral and compact construction, monoblock, which fulfills all the specifications of a modern, durable, and completely safe construction. Now the house is on a strong foundation and is ready to be painted the colors you wish. The preparation has already been done. The openings, doors, windows, are made at the early production stages of each reinforced double concrete wall, so that the placement of the respective frames, which have been selected by you, is immediately carried out. The electrician finds the installations ready, so that no damage needs to be done to the walls in order to install the wiring. The same applies with the plumbing, so the painters can paint the walls without any preliminary preparations, since the reinforced double concrete walls on leaving the Prohellas factory are not only strong, but also even and ready for painting. Prohellas undertakes to do all this. To build a house with a Prohellas seal means having the house you want, precisely as you want it, when you want it, at the price that suits you, with minimal time and work, so that all you have to do is to come to us to get the keys for your dream house. These are some of the houses that others, like you, dreamt of having. And they acquired them easily, rapidly, cheaply, and above all, without stress and work. Prohellas is not only a smart building choice, it is the building for the modern man who wants it all and wants it now. Without paying for it through the nose. For absolute anti-seismic protection. For any type of insulation. For a design which captures your heart and in record time. With a Prohellas house, you have peace of mind and the house of your dreams today. Who knows? The next house may be yours. It's as simple as that.